Kakalong kapili ke kenhun ke betere na kebentaban kentiwi ki kamrep kamriang kari jingri bat kilat jingyo kamai ki bayaine bagi bayde bakamariang kelasdange ka project Tribal Resilience Initiative for Building Environmentally Sustainable Livelihood Tribes hakathan Marngar kabaha bapo ko umling sin adi block riphoy district mentaka singi khatsan tarik ujeliu Kani ke projek kan long ke jingkerku ke bakrawi ki Nongrep bat Nongri Dohkha ketika than namar kan wanra ikilat jingirap ban kentiwi ke yok kokot bat kilat jingyok kamai jung ki pa. Ya kani ke projek le Kyrshan bat baitingka ke National Bank for Agriculture and Rural Development NABARD Regional Office Meghalaya bat en pentrekam de ke kalong ke pili na ke benta ke por sansnem ha ke jinglut ke bakot syaka shipon sau phau klur tingka. Kumba ars pangut ki Nongrep bat ki Nongri Dohkha ki niok jingmentoi na kani ke projek. Ya ke projek lepli pat do ba mir bonds im Emily ke nongpo constituency ko mokongsan ha ke jinge don lang UGR bla GMOIC ke nabat Meghalaya Regional Office ujutish talukdar director ke Kalong Kapili umanjil parashar project coordinator ke tribes project ke Aslasha Shraborni fishery expert ke Kalong Kapili ke officer na katanat fisheries kinong ilam shnong ba kinong yo jingmentoi jong ke project Ha ke jingelang lapen pau baling ba kini ke projek en la ban kenti ki kamri Dohkha bat ki kamrep ha ketika than. Ringkap ba ke jing penek pensa ke me mariang ling ba ki rukom trekam ki bayha bat ke mariang. Ha kini ke sengi la samru ik sembai Dohkha ki jing bam Dohkha ki shun bat ki sembai kwai riu hadem bat sotrun shiki nong yo jing mentoi jong ka projek.
We have also Palak Pathak and Prohat Talukdar, both are executives of Kolongapili. They have a vast knowledge and they have completed two trades program in Assam and they are also
health and livelihood, agriculture, horticulture, we come to the Bangka Sokar, Shillong ni Bangka Sokar itu kota kita. Ba Nagalian jauh ke NGO, Nagalian jauh ke Nabat, reform ini projek legit depan ini. Nanti pahani kita sipur, kita Nongrep, kita long expert kami kamri kita. Pak Khubor, Pak Jitan, imigran bahani pun kita lama macam. Jadi lupa expert, nanti pun orang kamri kita, ayah bapa ni. Jadi dan yo susu kita tinggal, umat orang susu yang kita pergi di Khuborjylla, kampung untuk janji tu bahaya sampai bahaya bukan terter ni Pak Robes bakar bes keren panggil high five sah bukan terter. Kalau tambah air berpenhen ini berpendi agar kau boleh hidup Tuhan. Tidak kalau saya nanti nanti sempat bila yang keren ini kira Pak ni, bah kakak konsum ke dunia ke Dohkha, bah bagi penmi kami ada. Jadi yang kita lapor atau in the whole state, consume is more, production is less. More than 60 to 65%, we are still depending on the fish supply from outside the state. Kita depend, kita sebenarnya yang kita Dohkha supply, like way di Jelah, berapa kok Jelah ini nama balik, baru nimpak lah ban penmi. Akan mau di Dohkha lokal itu ni bahkan ni apa susu? Ini pelayanan pumpa, nampung di lawan sini beriu. Dan orang orang ni masuk orang tu, miok ni. Kemudian akan mau di pum perkara itu. Alaylah kemudian masuk poin itu masuk poin tu. Ni buat ini miok sudah Dohkha. Anak buat ni lagi keren, miok keren Dohkha lokal. Tak kuat. Lagi keren ini kira apa ni? Awak ini juga di Dohkha lokal sebegini pala. Nomor 2 ni gedut mesti. Ngakuai kan yo di syadut mesti aidul di Khubor kota ter ndre ulang yo gedut mesti nanti yang punya ini apa ndan beri mesti. Nah, sorkar kami semua kawan keteruan dan pun cukup. Cooperative society, group cooperative society, one cakmat di Nongrep yang lain nak berda. No berarti kenapa kita diberi mesti supply gedut. Karena yang keren ya di hotel daripada Nongri, Kumyam. Dahil kira di hotel langsung ke duduk yo no, jadi supply lah kan yo, jadi hampir depend itu kan duduk paket ke warna, barang itu apa yo ya kan, duduk kalau pure, kalau local nanti kalau disebut di bayar produk ini masuk, dia tak menjadi gitu, nah ke Malaya.
First of all, this is a tribal resilience livelihood project, tribes project under the NABARD. So the implementing agency is Kolongkopili, our organization. So basically, there are 200 beneficiary. Okay. So what will happen? They have ponds in their home. So inside that pond, they will culture fish, and the sides of the dikes will be used for horticulture, and mainly it will be consisting of one pineapple. Okay, the other side will be maize, erica nut, and one is kitchen garden. So this is a 5-year project. So in 2 clusters we have divided 16 total. There are total 16 villages. So we have divided in 2 clusters. The first cluster will be for the first year. 100 beneficiaries will be getting the inputs. So today was the launching program. This entire program is the launching program. So today we will be distributing the seeds, feed, lime, fertilizers, as well as the horticulture saplings to the farmers.
Correct. This was funded by the NABARD and under the Tribal Development Project, which is beforely known as TDF project, and now it is a Tribes program. And we both are currently working on this integrated fisheries sector, not only to develop the fisheries but also to know about the horticultural benefits of the plants, and then all the integrated approaches. What are these things? So these kind of projects are being funded by the NABARD agency for the development of the not only the individual farmers but for all the communities, which will further gain their knowledge and equipments with all these things, and they will not only train themselves but also the village persons. So this is this tribal resilience sustainable development project, and for this kind of project we basically focusing on the climate resilience, particularly for this global concern. So this is what we are doing now, and currently MLA sir of Nongpo constituency, he has been chaired by he was the chairman of the program, and the NABARD personnel was also there, Department of Fisheries, Government of Meghalaya, then implementing agency Kolongkopili's director, deputy director, and all the staffs were present. We both are from the fisheries background, fisheries postgraduates, and we are currently helping and also the coordinators of the project. So this is what is basically the program consists of.